There is absolutely nothing more scary than somebody following you and not knowing what to do. Let me tell you, on your iPhone, since iOS 11, you have an emergency option. So let's learn today how to use it. So I have my iPhone right here, and simply we're going to go to settings. We're going to go to emergency SOS, and this is what I'm talking about. You're going to call with 5 button presses. This is the option. The on and off button, the display on off, this button you need to press 5 times quickly, and it will call the emergency services. First, it will sound an alarm, and then it will call 911 or the emergency services of your country. Then it will send the text messages to the people on your contact list. If you want this to be silent, simply just enable the call quietly option, and now the call is going to be silent. It will only vibrate, and it will send a text message anyways, but it will be silent. So let's test it real quick and see how it works. Let me go back to the main screen, and simply all I'm going to do on my iPhone is press it quickly 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you can see it starts, right now it's just vibrating, is not sounding the alarm because I have it like that. So I'm going to stop the call. I don't want to call emergency services right now. And that's simply how you do it. So hopefully this helps a lot. Share with your friends, share with your family. I have an iPhone safety guide in the description below, and hopefully you can learn a lot about it. Learn all the security features that you have on your iPhone, and stay safe out there. Have a good one.